So here is what is a HCF of like 6 and 14. So it is like a direct question. Okay, so it is a direct question. So I think they won't ask such direct questions. Okay, instead of that they'll ask a statement type of problems. Okay, so statement type of problems they'll ask. So you have to think and how to do the find the HCF and all. So most of the time they'll ask a HCF in the statement wise, and this HCF and this HCF and LCM, this topic is clubbed with ratio. Okay, ratio and proportion one topic comes. Okay, in we're going to see that also. So there is a ratio and proportion one topic comes. In that ratio and proportion they'll ask a concept of HCF and LCM. Okay, and also one more topic comes. So this is clubbed with ratio and proportion, and one more is simplification. So one more topic comes, that is a simplification. In the simplification topic also they'll ask a question on LCM, LCF and LCM. Okay, so here if I solve statement problem also, they are all mixed with these things. So what I do, I'll take a few LCM those topics, and when the topics we start ratio and simplification, so I can tell like which LCM topic is involved in this. Okay, so here all the time they'll ask a statement type of question directly instead of directly asking what is the LCM and HCF. So what we do now, we'll see some statement type of problems. Okay, we'll see some statement of type of problems like here no 3-4 types of statements they'll ask. First is the both like for a HCF and LCM. So how they ask, first they'll ask like if we add two numbers. Okay, what they'll take, they are adding a two numbers. Okay, they are adding a two numbers and their sum they'll give, and their sum is some x value. Okay, and they'll give their HCF value. HCF is y. So then they'll ask what are those two numbers. They'll ask you to find out the two numbers. What they'll do, they'll give a statement like there are two numbers. If you add those two numbers, x is a LCF sum and HCF is a y. What will be the two numbers? That's a one type. And again one more type, if they added two numbers, their sum is x, HCF is y. Okay, so sometime instead of HCF they'll ask HCF is z, what are the two numbers? And same way they'll ask like if you added two numbers, they won't ask which are those two numbers. They'll ask like which is the greatest number among those two. Okay, they'll ask which is the highest number, or sometimes they'll ask which is the smallest number. Instead of asking both numbers, they'll ask only one number, greater number or a smallest number. What they'll give input values, they'll give HCF or they'll give a LCM. They'll ask here condition is if we add both the numbers. So one is if we add up both the numbers. Okay, and sometimes they'll ask if you subtract both the numbers. Okay, this is the one question, like what they'll tell, there's a two numbers, we subtract and their answer is some x and HCF is some y and LCF is y. What will be there? Greater number or a smaller number, like they'll ask. Or else sometime they'll ask like if we multiply two numbers. Okay, if we multiply two numbers, what will be the x value and what is the y value if HCF and LCM is given. So like that they'll ask. And sometime they'll ask a ratios. If addition of two numbers are in ratio of 2:3, they'll give in the ratio. So what we have to do, we have to find out the values. So like that they'll ask. So what we do in this class, today's class, we'll see this set of problems. One is if two numbers are in addition, and one more is if two numbers are in subtraction, and one more is if two numbers are in ratio, and one more thing, how to find a greater number or a smallest number. Okay, so these are the some set of 5 questions are there, 5 different types. So in your exams, see if they ask in the ratio, that is clubbed in the ratio topic. So if you are good in such 5 type of problems, how to approach, so you'll be become good in like whatever tough question they'll ask, you can attempt those questions. So now what we'll do, we'll see one by one. I'll do some 2 problems on HCF and 2 on LCM with a different type statements. Okay, so we'll go with the question now. And whoever all missed the class, okay, yesterday class or a day before yesterday or last my all previous classes, okay, I have uploaded all the videos on the YouTube because I cannot send the WhatsApp videos on the WhatsApp. Ratio of 15:11. Okay, if their HCF, here they given like if their HCF is 13, if their HCF is 13, find the numbers. Okay, so इधर क्या दिया है, they are given a 2 numbers are there, they are in the ratio of 15:11. okay, if their HCF is 13, so हमको क्या करना है, दोनों नंबर को फाइंड आउट करना है. okay, so इसको कैसे मूव करना है, first no, so these two are take a like let 2 numbers are in the ratio means I have to take in this way, the 2 numbers are in 15x and 11x. 15x and 11x. Okay. If you are getting any background noise and all, just adjust it. Okay, so 15x and 11x. okay, here what you have to do, whenever that HCF comes, HCF will be what, multiply factor of any number. Suppose 2 is there, your HCF is say 6, HCF is 6 means you'll get a 2 into 3, 6, and your HCF is say some 12. okay, so 2 numbers are there, 2 and 3, so your HCF can be written as 2 into 4, sorry, 2 into 6 you'll get a 12, and 3 into 4 you'll get a 12. So here always you'll get your HCF with its multiplying factor. So here I'll take a x as a multiplying factor or a 1 factor. okay, I'll take a x as a 1 factor, which is act as here LCM. So with the x I can get a HCF, with the x I can get a HCF. So here I'll take x equal to what, 13. So x equal to 13. okay, I'll take a x equal to 13. Then what, how can find the 2 numbers are, I can get easily 15 into 13 and 11 into 13. okay, so if you multiply these two, you will get those 2 numbers. So one number will be a 195 and another one will be a 143. so it's a simple one. If they ask if 2 numbers are in the ratio and the HCF is given, so take it as HCF as a x. okay, take a HCF as a x, that is equal to a 13, and just multiply with both the numbers, so you'll get those 2 numbers. And if you find what will be the HCF of these two, you'll get a HCF will be the 13. okay, HCF of these two will be a 13 only. So this is a thing how you have to approach. okay, thing how you have to approach. Any doubt in this? First you have to take a just x value, okay, then multiply with the 15 and 11. So similarly I'll take a one more problem. So just take quickly whenever I write or I take a screenshot if you're not able to take quickly. So same question, what I'll do, I'll take a 3 numbers now. So there is a 3 numbers, okay, 3 numbers which are in the ratio of, all the 3 numbers which are in the ratio of 1 is to 2 is to 3. Okay, they are in this ratio 1 is to 2 is to 3, and their HCF, is what? And their HCF is 12, and their HCF is 12. Okay, they are asking like find the numbers. So either same thing, take a x as a 12, and this will be always multiply with the numbers. Your HCF will be a multiplication factor with the numbers. So how to take 1x, 2x and 3x. Okay, 1x, 2x and 3x. Just multiply with the numbers. So how to do that? Take a first number will be 1 into 12, second is 2 into 12, and 3 is 3 into 12. So you will get an answer as 12, 24 and 36. So here 36 divides by 12, 36 divides by, your 12 can divide by 36 and 12 can divide by 24, means here the smallest number which divides the 36. So here for this becomes a HCF is 13, 36, but what are the numbers for according to this ratio? 12, 24 and the 36. So these are the numbers which they want. Okay, so this is the one type of question they ask. Now this is a types are, what type it is? The ratios are given. These are ratios are given. Okay, the ratios are given and HCF is given. So ratios are given and HCF are given. So now we'll see if sum of two numbers is given. Okay, sum of two numbers are given, how to find it. So here I'll take one more question. Just note down the question. The sum of two numbers is, 216. Okay, the sum of two numbers is 216. Okay, here what they given? They given a sum. In previous question they have given a ratio, so here they given a sum. So sum of two numbers is 216 and their HCF is given. So and their HCF is 27. Okay, the HCF is 27, and they'll ask like what are the numbers? Find the numbers. So here what they given? They given the sum of two numbers, that is 216, and HCF is given, that is a 27. So what we have to do here? They already told sum of two numbers. Okay, sum of two numbers means let A and B are two numbers. Okay, let A and B are two numbers. Okay, A and B are two numbers. और उनके साथ क्या हुआ रहता है? उसके HCF भी multiply हुआ रहता है. Okay, so what I'll do? I'll take a 27A. So what is the thing? Sum of two numbers is 216. Okay, sum of two numbers is 216. When HCF is given means that is like 27A plus 27B, and their HCF is given like this. Okay, with the sum is given 216 and HCF is 27, means I can write with the numbers. So their HCF is always multiply with the given number. So 27 into A, 27 into B. Why I didn't take a same number here? Because they're adding a two different numbers. Here we are doing a sum, and previously that was a ratio. I have to take only one number, and here sum means I have to take two different numbers. So here two numbers are different. So always their HCF is multiplied with a 27 or a HCF is multiplied with a given number. So this is the sum 216. Now what we have to do? Take a 27 as a common. Take a 27 as a common. Okay. Take a 27 as a common. If you take a 27 as a common, a plus b. So if you divide a 27, this is also 9 and this is also 9. It divides by 9. So both will divide with a 3. Okay. So this is a 216. Okay. If you divide a plus b, you will get a 27 8 za. 8 7 the 56. 8 to the 16. 16 plus 5 51. So here you will get an answer as a plus b is a 8. Okay. You will get an answer as a plus b is a 8. Now I have to find a and b. How to find a and b? What we have to do? We have to find co-primes of 8. Co-primes of 8 in the sense that should be a sum of 8, or if you add those two numbers, it should give a 8 and it should not divisible. क्या होना चाहिए? Co-primes means क्या होता है? अगर वो दोनों नंबर को आपने ऐड किया तो उसका सम क्या आना चाहिए? 8 आना चाहिए, लेकिन वो दोनों नंबर किसी से भी मल्टीप्लाई नहीं होना चाहिए. Okay, like if you take a 1 and 8, sorry, if you take a 1 and 7, so if you add these two, that is a 8, but 1 is also prime number and 7 is also a prime number. So then 1 and 7 are a co-factor or a co-primes of 8. And if I take 3 and 5, so here 3 also not divides and 5 also not divides. So both are primes, and if you add, that will give a 8. So these are also a co-primes of 8. Okay. So here what you have to do? You have to find the numbers. How? Just multiply 27 into 1 and 27 into 7 and 27 into 3 and 27 into 5. Okay. So if you multiply, see here, first group is what? 27 into 1 and 27 into 7. So you'll get an answer 27 into 189. Okay. And if you multiply again 27 into 3 and 27 into 5, you'll get an answer as 81 and 135. So these both are the answers. In these two groups, you have to check the options. In option, चारों ऑप्शन में से ये दोनों नहीं रहते, दोनों में से एक रहता है ऑप्शन पे, तो you have to click that option, whether it may be a two numbers, may be a 81 or 135. Okay, 81 or 135. So if you add 81 and 135, that is 6 and 11 to 16. Okay, and if you add 27 and 189, that is also 16 and 12. So if you add these two numbers, you should get a 216. Okay, if you add these two numbers, आपको 216 मिलना चाहिए. और ऑप्शंस पे दोनों ग्रुप नहीं रहता है, कौन सा भी एक ग्रुप रहता है. सो उस आंसर को आपको टिक करना है. ओके, दिस इज द कॉन्सेप्ट हाउ यू हैव टू फाइंड द टू नंबर्स. फर्स्ट क्या करना है? लेट ए एंड बी आर द टू नंबर्स, एंड if their sum is 260 and their HCF is 27, so I can write like this: 27 into A, 27 into B into 216. I'll take a 27 common, so I'll get A plus B 8. So we have to find the co-primes of 8. 8 means 7 plus 1 is a 8. So 1 and 7 both क्या होते हैं? Co-primes होता है. And 3 and 5, if you add 3 plus 5, you'll get a 8. So either 3 and 5 will become a co-primes of 8. So then substitute in the place of A and B. You will get a two groups. 1, 2. ऑप्शन में कौन सा ग्रुप रहता है उसको आपको टिक करना है. ओके, समझ में आया ना ये क्वेश्चन कैसे करना है? यस
सर 8
8 क्या हुआ?
8 डिवाइड 27 ला आणि 216.
वही देखो, पहले क्या करना है, इधर अल्टे लगे. ए ऐसे लिखना है विथ अकॉर्डिंग टू अ स्टेटमेंट। स्टेटमेंट में क्या है, इफ यू एड अ टू सम यू विल गेट अ 216 एंड यू विल गेट अ HCF इज 27। अगर इस स्टेटमेंट के हिसाब से इसको लिखना है, बाद में टेक अ 27 फ्रॉम दीज टू नंबर्स। ओके, 27 ये दोनों नंबर से ले लो, बाद में क्या करो, a प्लस बी इक्वल टू 216 बाई 27 करो। ओके, अगर आपको 27 इसको डिवाइड हुआ तो कैसे होता है, 27 1 जा 27 8 जा होता है। सो देन a प्लस बी क्या होता है, 8 होता है। 8 कैसे मिला हमको, पहले इन दोनों से कॉमन लेना है, बाद में इसे डिवाइड करना है, आपको क्या मिलेगा, 8 मिलेगा। देन 8 का को प्राइम्स फाइंड आउट करना है। को प्राइम क्या होता है, सम दोनों ऐड किया तो 8 होना है, लेकिन वो किसी से भी डिवाइड नहीं होना है। ओके, दैट इज अ को प्राइम। ओके, को प्राइम्स है 1 7 एंड 3 5, उनको इधर सब्स्टिट्यूट करो। 27 एक बार पहले को प्राइम सब्स्टिट्यूट किया, 27 into 1 एंड 27 into 7 आपको 27 एंड 189 मिलता है। 3 एंड 5 सब्स्टिट्यूट किया तो 81 एंड 135 मिलता है। सो इनमें से कौन सा आंसर रहता है उसको टिक करना है। ओके, समझ में आया ना ऐश्वर्या?
हाँ सर, आला।
Okay, now what we'll do, see here, while solving we got a two groups. Okay, sometimes they'll ask find the pairs. Well, अभी हमने solve किया तो हमको दो pairs मिले थे। So sometimes they'll ask find the pairs. How many pairs you will get if you solve like this? So sometimes हमको इधर दो पेयर मिला है ना, ऐसे हमको एक एक बार चार पेयर मिलता है, एक एक बार 5 पेयर मिलता है। So they can ask a question like, they won't ask a numbers, दो नंबर्स कौन से वो नहीं पूछते, they like what are the pairs you will get. Okay, that time you have to tell pairs will be a 4 5 like that. Okay, so you have to tell the pair numbers, how many pairs you will get. So we'll see such type of problems one. Okay, so next question is same thing, क्या है, दो नंबर्स को हमको ऐड करना है। if you add a two numbers, okay, if you add a two numbers you will get 5 to 8. okay, and इसका HCF क्या है, HCF is 33. okay, 33. then आपको क्या करना है, find the number of such pairs, find the number of such pairs means आप बाद में फाइंड आउट करते हैं ना नंबर्स, उसके पेयर्स रहते हैं, इधर दो नंबर आएगा, इधर दो नंबर आएगा, इधर दो नंबर आएगा, इधर दो नंबर, ऐसे आपको कितने पेयर बनते हैं उसको फाइंड आउट करना है। जस्ट ट्राई दिस, सेम है प्रीवियस कैसे किया था ऐसा ही है। इधर क्या आएगा, दो पेयर्स के बदले में ज्यादा पेयर्स आएंगे, वो पेयर को फाइंड आउट करो। ट्राई दिस, ट्राई करो एक बार। This meeting will close after 10 minutes. Actually, I have did some settings. Setting भी काम नहीं आया आज। आपने एक ही पेयर फाइंड आउट किया। That is not a 16. Check, Swapnita. That is not a 16. Check करो। 16 के को प्राइम फाइंड आउट करो। अगर आपका आंसर 16 आया, 16 का को प्राइम है 1 and 50. आई थिंक यू हैव डिड जस्ट स्मॉल मिस्टेक. को प्राइम 16 आता है, उसका आंसर 16 आता है, उसका को प्राइम क्या आता है 1 and 15. ऐसे और पेयर्स मिलते हैं. लाइक 16 कैसे 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 ऐड कर सकते हैं, 3 and 13, 5 and 11, 7 and 9. सही, लाइक प्राइम नंबर के कॉम्बिनेशन बनाना है. अदर्स, आदित्य नहीं हुआ?
थ्री 13,
ओके
7 9,
ओके. और भी है, सिर्फ दो नहीं है. 1 and 15. अगर 16 है तो कैसे कैसे इसका प्राइम नंबर्स पता ये करो ना. क्या होता है 1 and 15 से भी ये होता है 1 plus 15 you will get a 16 and you will get a 3 and 13. ये दोनों प्राइम नंबर्स है. So if you add 3 and 13 you will get a 16. ये दोनों प्राइम नंबर्स का
5
ग्रुप हो
11.
गए. ओके, 5 and 7 हो
2
गए.
and 14.
सॉरी,
Sir, 5 and
115.
11.
5 and 11. So 5 plus 11 16 हो गया. एंड और एक आता है 7 and 9. So 7 plus 9 is 16. So इसके आगे नहीं आएगा. आता है और एक ग्रुप, चेक करो आएगा क्या.
2 and 14.
2 and 14 नहीं आएगा.
Prime number.
देखो 2 and 14 ये दो प्राइम नंबर नहीं है. 14 2 से डिवाइड होता है, 2 and 7. So co-primes are what? Co-primes are
Okay.
which has a 2 prime numbers. इधर भी दोनों प्राइम रहना है. ओके,
Yes, sir.
यस. Okay, so how many pairs you got? 4 pairs. How many pairs you got? Answer is 4. इसके आगे नहीं आएगा. So you got a pairs is how much? 4 pairs you got. So answer of this question is 4 pairs. Okay. Then what are the required numbers? Required numbers क्या होंगे? Numbers क्या होंगे फिर? पेयर तो मिल गया, नंबर्स कैसे फाइंड आउट करना है? नंबर्स फाइंड आउट करने के लिए आपने क्या किया था स्टार्टिंग? 33a plus 33b किया था ना. सो टेक अ फर्स्ट ग्रुप 115, इधर ऐड करो 33 into 1, 33 into 15. इसका आंसर दैट इज व्हाट दे कैन आस्क नो व्हाट आर द नंबर्स. देन ये सबको एक ग्रुप में डालना पड़ेगा. देन यू विल गेट ऑप्शंस. आपके ऑप्शन में से एक मिलेगा. सो सेम वे इफ यू टेक अ say this one, so कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 33 into 3, 33 into 13, and this one 33 into 5, 33 into 11, this one 33 into 7, and 33 into 9. So these are the numbers. अगर उन्होंने नंबर पूछा तो इनका मल्टीप्लाई करके चेक करो. अगर उन्होंने ग्रुप देखा तो सिर्फ 4 ग्रुप्स 1 2 3 4. That is, you can stop here only if they ask 4 groups. If they ask what are the numbers, you have to go to the next. इन 4 नंबर्स पे कौन सा भी एक ग्रुप उन्होंने आपके ऑप्शंस पे दिया रहता है. देन यू हैव टू चेक इन 4 ग्रुप में कौन सा ऑप्शन पे है. ये चारों नहीं रहता है ऑप्शन पे, डोंट गेट टेंशन. ये चारों ग्रुप में एक ऑप्शन पे रहता है, लेकिन अब चारों को ही फाइंड आउट करना ही है. बिकॉज नाउ वन नोट्स व्हाट इट टेक्स अ टाइम. So that is a thing you involved. Go with the next question now. Any doubts in this? The question will be the number of number pairs, the number of number pairs lying between the number of numbers number of numbers pair lying between 40 and 100. Okay, 40 and 100 with HCF, with their HCF क्या है 15. ओके, सो इधर क्या है, इधर भी सेम क्वेश्चन है, दे आस्क इन डिफरेंट वे. क्या है, देयर इज अ टू नंबर्स पेयर. ओके, टू नंबर्स का पेयर है. ओके, दोज ऑल पेयर्स, उनका HCF क्या है 15 है, एंड दो पेयर्स आर वेयर दे लाइज, दे आर बिटवीन 40 to 100. व्हाटएवर आपको A एंड B आर द नंबर्स. ओके, इसका HCF क्या है 15 है, बट A एंड B कहां से कहां तक है 40 से 100 के बीच में है ये दोनों नंबर्स. एंड ये दोनों नंबर्स का HCF कितना भी ग्रुप हो उसका HCF 15 आता है. तो इधर मुझे क्या करना है, इधर भी मुझे पेयर्स ही फाइंड आउट करना है. सो हाउ मेनी पेयर्स विल क्रिएट इन दिस रेंज whose HCF is 15, whose HCF is 15. थोड़ा सेम प्रॉब्लम है, only one step is not there here. So how to move this? सेम है, उधर क्या पूछते थे, सम ऑफ टू नंबर्स बोलते थे. सो इधर क्या दिया है, सीरीज दिया है, नंबर सीरीज फ्रॉम 40 to 100, HCF is 15. So how many pairs will come? कितने पेयर्स आएंगे? How many pairs will come? कैसे सॉल्व करना है इसको? So now you have to be in the track, like to think always to approach a aptitude type. Okay, ऐसे अब मैंने लास्ट मोर देन 1 वीक से क्लास ले रहा हूँ, मीन्स आपको क्या है, आप ऑलरेडी इन द ट्रैक ऑफ टू सॉल्व द एप्टीट्यूड्स. तो उस सॉल्विंग के माइंड से आपको थिंक करना है. सो इधर क्या दिया है, HCF दिया है, numbers are between 40 to 100. What are the pairs? I'll close the link and join the same link again. By that time, just think it or solve it. कैसे करना है? See here, they already given HCF 15. Okay, just what you have to do, HCF के को प्राइम को फाइंड आउट करो. 15 के को प्राइम फाइंड, नॉट अ को प्राइम, इधर 15 के मल्टीप्लायर्स को फाइंड आउट करो. Those multipliers between 40 to 100, like they copy. So I'll take a one multiplier 45. Okay, and I'll take one more 60. So this is what ये 15 से जाता है. It will go by 15. Take a multipliers I said. So 15 3s are okay, and 15 6s are. Same way और एक पेयर फाइंड आउट करो. You'll get a 75 and 90. So this is also one pair. 15 5s are and 15 6s are. Okay, then और एक पेयर बनता है, that is, हाँ एक ही पेयर बनता है
60 and 75.
yes no
वही रिपीट आता है.
हाँ वही रिपीट करके एक आता है, जैसे 45 and 75, 45 and 75, and 60
75 and 90.
60 and 75, and 75 and 90. Okay, so how many pairs you got? 5 pairs is correct, no? 1 2 45 and 60, 75 and 60, 45 and 75, 60 and 75 and 70. Yeah, this is repeat. Okay, so you'll get a 4 pairs. How many pairs you'll get? 4 pairs. So this is a one way to do. Here don't go with co-prime. Here go with the multipliers. What are the multiples of 15? That is also which are more than 45, more than 40 and less than 100. Okay. So previous thing, what we have to find a co-primes when sum and HCF is given, or a difference and HCF is given, or a sum and LCM is given, or a difference and LCM is given. So such cases you have to go with the co-primes. And if any one thing is missing this side, only HCF is given, then see the multipliers of that HCF. That will become a pair. So here answer of this will be a 4. How many pairs you get? 4 pairs. Okay. So I'll just rub this. So next thing is what no? We'll solve now difference का. Difference के 2-3 problems solve करेंगे. What they given? That is also comes the same method. No any changes. Like HCF of two numbers. What they given? HCF of two numbers is 12. Okay, and their difference is उनके difference क्या है? And their difference is 12. उनके difference क्या है? 12 है. So what are the numbers? What are the numbers? So उनके numbers क्या है? क्या है इधर? HCF is also 12 and difference is also 12. So क्या करना है इधर? आपको find out करना है. इधर that method is not apply. Just you have to think 12 के multipliers. Okay, 12 के multipliers रहना है. Then if you take two numbers x and y, their difference should be come as 12. क्या करना है? आपको लिस्ट बनाना है. Okay, like now क्या what options in this case you have to check the options. Check the options. Don't go with any solution. Option A is 66, 78. Option B is 70. Option B is 70 and 82. Option C is 94 and 106. And option C is 84 and 96. Okay. So इनमें से just check all the options. Options पे क्या होना चाहिए? My condition has to hold score. What condition? Their HCF should be in these 4. One number's HCF should be a 412 and their difference should be a 12. So ऐसे देखे तो सबका difference 12 ही आता है. Like 78 minus 66, 12. 82 minus 70, 12. 106 minus 94, 12. 96 minus 84, 12. Okay. ಹಲೋ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ತಗೊಳತ್ತೀನಿ 7 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಮುಗಿತೈತಿ. ಹಾ ಓಕೆ ಸರಿ 7ಕ್ಕೆ ಫೋನ್ ಹಚ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ. Okay, sorry, I got a call. Now see here, just see the difference. चारों का डिफरेंस क्या आ रहा है? 12 आ रहा है. तो मुझे कैसे मूव करना है? See the in 4 numbers किसका HCF 12 आएगा. अभी देखो चारों का HCF मुझे फाइंड आउट करने में बहुत टाइम लगेगा. So सिर्फ मुझे क्या करना है? 12 का मल्टीप्लायर्स देखो. 12 का मल्टीप्लायर्स इसमें इनमें से कौन सा है? ओके देखो 12 का मल्टीप्लायर 66 नहीं है, 12 का मल्टीप्लायर 78 नहीं है, ओके। 12 का मल्टीप्लायर इन द सेंस 66 12 से नहीं कटेगा, ओके, एंड 78 भी नहीं जाएगा, एंड 70 also not divides by 12, 82 also not divides by 12, and 94 also not divides, 106 also not divides. Which will divides? 84. 12, I think 12 8 12 sevens are, okay, and 12 8s are, okay. और इन दोनों का डिफरेंस क्या है? 12 है, एंड 12 into I think 7 84 आएगा, ओके, एंड 12 into 8 96 आएगा. So this is your D is your answer. So कैसे करना है? In this case you have to check the options. In that option directly go. What is the difference between the all the given options? क्या है? सबका difference 12 ही है. Then find out multipliers of 12. So ये तीनों multipliers नहीं है. Directly you can say 84 and 96 are multipliers of 12. So this is the answer. Okay. I hope you understood. I'll just go next one. So next, what no? Now I'll see the product of number. So what? I'll take a two numbers. The product of two numbers will be, okay, product of two numbers is 2028. दो नंबर के प्रोडक्ट क्या है? 2028 है, and their HCF is what? I think 13. वो दोनों नंबर के HCF क्या है? 13 है. So find the pairs find out करना है. Find the pairs. Okay, pair in the sense you have to find the values only. So कैसे मूव होना है? Same way हमने starting हमने कैसे किया था? If their two numbers are added and their sum is given and their HCF given, means take a two different numbers A and B you added. So here take a two numbers, A, B are two numbers and their product is 280 and HCF is 13, means I'll do like this, 13 into A, 13 into B, and their sum answer is 288, 2028. Okay, then what I'll do? I'll just take a AB here, and here this is a 169 and this is a 2028. So AB, if I divides by 28 by 169, so I will get answer as 12. So आपको AB क्या मिलेगा? 12 मिलेगा. Okay, AB क्या मिलेगा? 12 मिलेगा. So 12 का क्या करना है? Find the co-primes of 12. Co-primes of 12. Co-primes of 12 are what? 13 into 1. First, I'll just find the co-primes. Co-primes of 12 are 1, 12. So here, देखो, आप क्या कर रहे हैं इधर? Co-primes of 12 कर रहे हैं, तो आप किसका co-prime कर रहे हैं इधर? This is the multiplying factor. In previous it was a plus b equal to 8 था, तो हमने क्या किया था? 1 and 7 को प्राइम था, तो हमने एडिशन किया था. If I add 1 plus 7, that should come a 8. So here this is the multiplying factor. तो multiplying factor means मुझे को प्राइम कैसे आना चाहिए इधर? 1 and 12, okay, and 3 and 4, क्योंकि 12 1 से नहीं कटेगा and 4 3 से नहीं कटेगा और 3 4 से नहीं कटेगा. Why I have to take in such way prime numbers? I am multiplying. So if I do 1 into 12, I should get 12. 3 should 4, I should get a 12. In this case, my question was 3 plus 5 was a 8. Here I was doing a addition of the co-primes. Here I am doing a multiplication of the co-primes. If you get A minus B equal to 12, what you have to do here? 4 minus 3, 12 you have to do. Okay, and Same way, 9 minus, I think 12 minus, that you have to see, like that difference you have to get. Then only that is for this difference thing. So here my co-primes are 1 and 12 and 3 and 4. So you will get a groups like 13 into 1 and 13 into 12 and 13 into 4 and 13 into 3. So these are the, how many pairs you will get? 2 pairs. Okay, how many pairs you will get? 2 pairs you will get. Yes. So this is the way how we have to solve. Okay, I hope this आपको ये समझ में आया. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. Now what we'll do? One more approach. कैसे पूछते हैं HCM and LCM का? Like the product of two numbers. क्या रहता है? Product of two numbers. Okay, is 40. Product of two numbers is 4107. Okay, 4107. And if HCF is 37, if HCF is 37, then what is the greater number? What is the greater number? So क्या होता है, दो नंबर से आप मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं. ओके, उसका मल्टीप्लाई क्या है? 4107 है. उसका HCF क्या है? 37 है. सो दोनों नंबर तो सेम नहीं रहेगा, एक बड़ा रहेगा एक छोटा रहेगा. सो व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन? व्हाट इज द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर? ओके, व्हाट इज द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर? सॉरी, व्हाट इज द ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर? कुछ भी पूछ सकते हैं, स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर और greatest number. Okay, so how to find it? Same way, what is the HCF? 37. So 37 into A and 37 into B, 4107. Okay, try करो इसको. Just tell me the answer. क्या आएगा?
3, sir.
Okay, 3 आ गया. Then take a product of co-primes. No, what I am asking, multiply A and B. AB आपको 3 आ गया. I got your point. AB आपको 3 आया. मुझे क्या आना है? A वैल्यू एंड B वैल्यू. इनमें से कौन सा बड़ा है?
1 and 3.
Sir, 1 and 3 वही बोल रही हो ना?
नहीं नहीं नहीं, 1 and 3
तो
नहीं
पहले
है. Oh, 1 and 3, I know. 1 and 3 is a thing. Multiply here 37 into 1, 37 into 3. इनमें से कौन सा वो बोलना है? 37 and 1 1.
111.
Yes, I want this answer, not 3.
Oh.
Okay, मुझे A answer
Yes.
चाहिए क्योंकि we are multiplying with this number, not with this number. Okay, so don't get confused. I know your answer is 3 is correct, but that is not asked in the question. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so
Yes,
आपके and this mistake only you people do. आपके ऑप्शन पे 3 भी रहता है. In your options, option A 3, option B 1, option C 37, option D 111. So what you people do? You click a 3, then is a wrong. 111 is the correct one. Okay, so that way you have to check carefully how to answer. Okay, so just note it down. I'll take few more problems. So I hope this you understood. Okay, so I'll just rub this. This is the way how they ask a HCF, and we'll solve some problems on LCM in the same manner. They'll give in the ratios, they'll give in a sum, and they'll give in a difference, like that. Okay, so here question. LCM of two numbers. Okay, so here what they are asking, LCM of two numbers is, I think, 48. Okay, LCM of two numbers is 48. Then the numbers are in the ratio. Numbers are in the ratio of 2:3. Okay, numbers are in the ratio of 2:3. Then the sum of the number is, इधर मुझे उन दोनों नंबर नहीं चाहिए. I don't want those two numbers. I want sum of those two numbers. Okay, this is a different way. And here the thing is not HCF. Here they asked LCM. Okay, how to do this? First, take a x as a number. X is a number, and here what they say, the numbers are in the ratio. Both the numbers are in the ratio. So x is a number. So what I'll take? I'll take both the numbers in the unknown value. So both are in the ratio 2x and 3x. Okay, 2x and 3x. And their LCM, what will happen? So 2x and 3x are the two numbers, and their LCM will happen like 2 and 3 का LCM क्या है? So I'll start in different way. I'll take a two numbers. Okay, let's take a two numbers are 2x and 3x. Okay, अगर मेरा 2 and 3 रहता तो उसका LCM क्या रहता है? What is the LCM of 2 and 3? LCM of 2 and 3 क्या होगा?
5 आता है क्या सर?
You are doing addition. What is the
No sir.
LCM of 2 and 3? LCM of 2 and 3. कल की क्लास कोई नहीं बैठा था इधर. What will be the sum of the? If I take 3x, one will be a 4x and 5x. Their LCM will be a 3, 4 and 5. 20 and into 3. 60 will be their LCM. Okay. इनके LCM क्या होगा? 60 होगा. So I'll equate 60x into 240. Then I'll get a x value as 240 by 60. Okay. I'll get a
40.
40. So x will be a 40. So my values will be 3 into 40 is a 120, and 4 into 40
120.
160, and 5 into a 40 200. Add these all numbers. 80 and 480 is a answer. Yes, 480 is the answer. Correct one?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Okay, so this is the one thing. So I'll take a one more question. What I'll do, they'll give a LCM and HCF both. You have to find the number. Like, I'll just rub this. Suppose they given a HCF of two numbers is 11. Okay, and LCM of two numbers is 7700. Okay, so they want like their HCF. Okay, one number. If one number is एक number उन्होंने दिया है, that is 275. So what is the other number? What is the other number? देखो क्या किया है उन्होंने HCF दिया है एंड एलसीएम दिया है, एक नंबर दिया है, तो मुझे क्या करना है, नेक्स्ट नंबर फाइंड आउट करना है, व्हाट विल बी द अदर नंबर. सो दिस इज अ वेरी इजी स्टेप. क्या करना है, अदर नंबर कैसे फाइंड आउट करना है, अदर नंबर इज, ओके, अदर नंबर विल बी, इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करो, one is a HCF and one is a LCM, one is a HCF and another one is a LCM, divided by given number is, one number is 275. So then इसको solve किया तो आपको आंसर क्या आएगा, 308.
308.
So that is the answer. So this is your answer. Okay, this is the method to solve the questions. Okay, so in this way they'll ask a question and rest all questions क्या होता है, that